Hey folks, Dale here with Open Road Outfitters. In this video, I'll be installing the HitchDoc H15225 chrome hitch. This is a super high quality US made chrome hitch, and it's designed to fit the 2014 and up Harley Ultras, the Lows, CVOs, and Limiteds. It also fits the Road King and fits the Road Glide if they have the standard length fender. Now, compared to cheap imports, this is kind of a spendy hitch, but you get what you pay for. This hitch installs very easily. First, I'm going to remove the saddlebags, and then I'm going to remove the front two bolts from the fender strut at the tour pack. Now, the good news is you don't need to support the tour pack. It won't move. You're going to be placing bushings in these holes before you bolt on the hitch. The thicker bushing goes in the front. Now I did this by starting with the right side front bushing, lifting the hitch in place, and getting the bolt started just enough to catch the threads. Then I put the rear bushing in place, and again just got that bolt started. On the other side, put the two bushings in place and then lift the hitch up to kind of hold them, and then get these bolts started. Now, one step I forgot to show here is that I apply blue thread lock to all these bolts. And again, leave these loose for now. You want some play in the hitch. The last step is to install an extra stabilizing bracket on each side at the bottom of the hitch. You're going to use the inside 5/16 bolt that's on the exhaust mount to hold the bracket to the bike frame. And then you're going to bolt the bracket to the hitch. This adds a lot of extra stability at the bottom, so there's no flex. Now, to make this process easier, what you want to do is just barely get the nut started on the exhaust mount bolt, just enough to hold the bracket. Then insert the bolt through the mounting point on the hitch and bracket and get that nut started. Now, once you've done that on both sides, tighten everything down, starting with the brackets you just installed, then the 4 bolts at the top. When everything's tightened down, you can install the tow bar, put your saddlebags back on, hook up your camper, and hit the road. If you'd like more information about motorcycle camping or campers, hitches, or wiring, check out my other YouTube videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And be sure to visit me at openroadoutfitters.com. Until next time, this is Dale with Open Road Outfitters, wishing you many happy journeys.